Hello everyone, welcome. Thanks for your participation in the 6th International Conference on Advances in Material Science organized by Department of Physics, Rajanamra College, Zat, during 23rd and 24th April 2021. I wish best luck for all the participants who are presenting their oral presentation. Thank you.
Dr. Kalpana R. Nagde, working as Assistant Professor as Department of Physics, Institute of Science, Nagpur. And my topic of
I am Dr. Deepak Taikar from Department of Physics of Shri Linde Patil Mahavidyalaya Mandad, Nagpur. My oral presentation number is 6.
Leela, I am a research scholar. My research supervisor is Professor S.M. Hangodimat sir. First of all, I would like to thank ICIMS organizing committee for giving me this opportunity to present.
Myself, Dr. Mahendra Suhas Kavle. I am presenting my work, that is studies on improvement of mechanical stability of.
Myself is Dr. Inglugundi PK. Oral presentation serial number is 11. Presently, I am working as Assistant Professor of Physics.
Myself, Dr. Supriya Shukla, I am presenting on behalf of our team from Yeshwantrao Mohite College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Pune. The topic for
I am S.R. Philave from Gram Gita Mahavidyalaya, Chimur. Today I am presenting oral present.
Myself, Dr. Parshuram Abange, GM Vedic College of Science, Tada, Raigarh. I am presenting.
I myself, Dr. Sunanda Siyata, working as a head in Department of Physics, Miraj Mahavidyalaya, Miraj. I am going to.
Myself, Dr. Sanjay B. Nagdevte, Amlokchan Mahavidyalaya, Yavatmal. My research work on characterizations and dielectric study of nanosize BaTiO3 synthesized by Solvay.
Praseodymium 3 plus ion on the structural properties of cobalt nickel ferrite synthesized by Solvay atom.
Maruti Baliram Kumhar. Here we know
here present the research paper on optical, structural, morphological and photocatalytic study of Wurtzite ZNC by using hydrothermal method under the guidance of Dr. Smita Acharya and Dr. Ramesh Taikar.
Myself, Dr. Yogesh Chaudhary, working as an Assistant Professor in Department of Physics, SPK Mahavidyalaya, Savantwadi, Sindhu.
I am Dr. Kartik from Kota University. Today I am going to discuss about one of my research topic is thermal.
I am from Sangmeshwar College, Solapur.
Myself, Kanande Sabash. Today I present paper Negative Susceptibility of Nanoparticle Size Aluminum Substitute Copper Cobalt, right? In the 6th International Conference on Advanced.
Number is 14. My topic is comparative ultrasonic synthesis of quinoline, fractionalized chalcones and its absorption, distribution, metabolisms and excretion analysis.
Oral presenter number 17, Mr. E.K. Kore from Department of Physics, DBF Dayanand College of Arts and Science, Solapur.
Sachin Rai. I am a research scholar, Professor Rajendra Singh Rajju Bhaiya, Physical Science and Research Center, VBSPU, Jaunpur. My topic is the elastic mechanical.
I'm Assistant Professor Bir Bahadur Singh, Purvanchal Vishwavidyalaya. Today I'm going to present the elastic and thermal property of semiconductor.
Hello everyone, myself Rameja Sayed. Today I am going to present my research work on the topic of yttriate-doped zirconia, mixed oxide nanomaterial synthesis, characterization and their catalytic activity.
Everyone, I'm Sandhya Jalkar and I'm presenting a paper on evaluation of mechanical properties of concrete using MWCNTs and glass fibers.
I am Dr. Radhika Deshmukh, Assistant Professor, Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. First of all, I am thankful to the
Advanced in Material Science. My OP number is 24, Dr. Suresh Keda Bacha. My paper number is Analysis and Comparative Study by undoped and doped crystal.
Growth and thermal analysis of iron doped bismuth trisulfide crystals.
I am Nivedita Kherde, Department of Physics, Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. The title of my paper is Synthesis and PL Study of SR3U4x2 U3 plus phosphor for white LED application.
And this is Dr. Vinayak Kadimule. I am presenting before you the paper of the type.
Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Ms. Rushaya Sunil Bhalera, and my oral presentation number is 30. My paper is entitled as...
My name is Ms. Nidhi Tiwari. My oral presentation number is number 31. So the topic which I will be presenting...
Number 34. Myself, Dr. Sunita Jadhav. Here I represent my research paper, Size Selective Copper Molybdenum Oxide.
Good morning all. I, Dr. M.S. Annaikar, presenting oral presentation on effect of pH on serum albumin proteins and their
performance of electrochromic WO3 thin films for energy storage application. Chromism is a process that induces a...
Hello everyone, myself Bapu Subabar, Research Scholar Yashwantrao Chavan, Institute of Science, Tata. I am
presenting here the research work, Green Synthesis of Gold Nanoparticles and their Optical Characterization.
Namaste, I am Dr. S.V. Gaikwad from the Department of Physics, ME Sabasab Garware College, Karu Road, Pune.
Hello everyone, myself Hanmant Gowda, Research Scholar from Department of Physics, VSK University, Ballari, Karnataka.
Very good morning to everyone. Myself, Dr. Narayan Ananta Digvega, OP41, Department of Chemistry, GM Veda College of Science.
Hello, this is OP42, Mr. Ketan Kumar R. Gaikwad, Assistant Professor, KJ Somaya College of Science and Commerce, Mumbai.
Research Scholar in Department of Physics, VSK University, Ballari. My presentation concept is biogenic synthesis and characterization of zinc oxide nanoparticles from Aloe barbadense Miller leaf extract.
Hello everybody, myself Professor Sandeep Maruti Hinge, Assistant Professor, RJ College, Khatkopar, Mumbai.
Hello everyone, my name is Swapnali Bhagwan Dhage and topic is synthesis and characterization of COSNO2.
Dr. P.D. More, Department of Physics, Ahmednagar College. Title of my presentation is Facile Synthesis and Electrochemical Investigation of
Nanocomposite for CO gas sensing.
I am Ms. Nilofer Sheikh. Welcome to all the dignitaries for my oral presentation OP48. Here I am going to present my work on the catalytic role of acid.
OP50 Vaishali Patel. Title of research paper is Comparative Antimicrobial Activity of
My name is Umesh B. Nugun. I am working as Assistant Professor in KRCS College, Belongal. My OP number is 52.
Hello everyone, I am Viresh B. Karikatti presenting a research paper on strength properties of alkali activated slag concrete cured at ambient temperature. First of all,
myself Dr. J.V. Dhanmej from Srimati P.K. Kuteja Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Bhusawar.
Good morning to one and all. Myself Dr. N.S. Vadatkar. I am here to present research work entitled Investigating the Complex Optical Properties of Thiopia.
Welcome. Myself Dr. Sachin V. Pangale, working as an Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, GM Veda College of Science, Tala.
So hello everyone, my name is Vijay S. Riker. I am from GM Veda College of Science, Tala, Raigad.
Now I want to discuss about the analysis of optical fiber network, which is based on EDFA optical fiber.
Myself, Dr. Nimba Valwant Pothavade from Kalvan Education Societies.
Kundashi having oral presentation number 68. I am presenting the paper on DC conductivity of mesoporous materials.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kumar Swami and my co-author Dr. M. Ravichandar, the oral.
Linti Poddar, and I am presenting my topic, Silver Nanoparticle Surface Plasma Resonance Based.
Maruti NS, Assistant Professor, KRCS Degree College, Bailongal. My OP number is 71.
Research colleagues and my dear friends, today I am going to present a oral presentation on organized.
Hello everyone, my oral presentation number is 75. Myself Dr. Ashwini.
ICAMS 2021. At
Raje Ramrao College, Jat. My presentation number is OP77. Myself Sham Gore, and my topic is.
Hello, I am Dr. Vivek Rane from GM Vedak College of Science. I am presenting the paper Low Temperature Sintered Nickel Cobalt.
Myself Muri Vidi, and the title of my paper presentation is Complete Microstructural Analysis and Elastic Properties of Samarium Doped Nickel Magnesium Zinc Mixed Spinel Ferrite.
I am Dr. Shailaja, Assistant Professor, Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, Hyderabad.
I am Jinesh Jain, currently pursuing Bachelor's of Science in Computer Science Department from Medicaps University, Indore.
Everyone, I am Veena, currently pursuing BSc with a major in Computer Science from Medicaps University.
Oral presentation is on the topic Synthesis, Characterization and Sensor Studies of Polyvinyl Alcohol Cadmium.
Dr. Sneha Bandekar, Professor, KL Engineering College, Belagavi, Karnataka.
Hello everyone, I am Saili Jadhav. I am talking about influence of calcium phosphate nanofertilizers.
Myself, Mrs. Sarla Kashram Pawar, here represent my research paper entitled and manuscript number as shown in this slide. In this slide, I show.
My name is Shruti Patatil and I am from the Department of Material Science, Gulbarga University.
Advances on Material Science on the article entitled The Effect of ZNO Nanorods on Seed Germination and Seedling Growth of Mung Bean under the guidance of Professor K.M. Karadkar Sir, Nanomaterial Science Laboratory, Department of Chemistry, Shivaji University, Kolhapur.